Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos or images to your Shutterstock contributor account. Now you might want to learn how to upload images to Shutterstock if you're a photographer, graphic designer, or artist looking to monetize your work. By uploading your images to Shutterstock, you can start earning royalties every time your photos are downloaded or used. It's a great way to make passive income and showcase your creative work to a global audience. This video is especially useful if you're a new Shutterstock contributor or if you've been wondering how to upload your images for the first time. Whether you're a hobbyist, photographer, or a professional, uploading your work to Shutterstock is a simple process that can help you earn money from your images. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end to learn exactly how to upload a photo or image to your Shutterstock contributor account. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is find the contributor app. It's this white and red one. You're going to want to load it up and you'll be at the home page. You can see that I don't have any images uploaded, but you can hit the upload images now button. Or if you do, you can go down to this little up arrow and then you can hit start here. Whenever you do that, you'll be able to select your photos. For example, I'll just select this one. I'll add it and you're going to wait for it to upload. So the image was successfully uploaded. Now, if you want to, you can click on it, you can add your description, you can add at least 7 key words in English. So anything that you think people might look for, you can add those in there to help them find your image. You can select a category. I mean, there are multiple categories and you can select up to 2. And you can also add additional information, like is this mature content, is it editorial, or is it an illustration? You know, it will help you find the buyers that end up buying your work. You can add a release if there's any releases, and that's really all there is to it. Once you add all of this information, you can go ahead, hit save, or you could hit submit, and that's all there is to it. Now that we just went over all of the steps, here are a few tips to help you maximize your success when uploading to Shutterstock. Use high quality images. Shutterstock has a strict guidelines for image quality. Make sure your images are sharp, properly exposed, and free of noise or pixelation. The better the quality, the more likely your images will sell. You can also add detailed keywords. When uploading, make sure to include relevant keywords that accurately describe your image. This helps your photo show up in search results, making it easier for potential buyers to find it. You can also fill out metadata properly, so don't skip the title, description, and keywords. A well-written description and relevant keywords can help buyers find your image more easily. Also, check for copyright issues. Make sure the images you upload are your own work, or you have the proper rights to use any content in the image, such as logos, people, or property. Also, if you have multiple photos ready, consider using the batch upload feature to save time. This allows you to upload multiple images at once, speeding up the entire process. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this tutorial helpful on how to upload photos to your Shutterstock contributor account, please be sure to drop a like. Also, be sure to share it with a friend, and most importantly, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials.